What happens when you switch to cooking with olive oil? Olive oil isn't just a cooking staple, it's a health hero. Here's what happens when you make it your go-to. Packed with antioxidants and heart-healthy fats, extra virgin olive oil turns everyday meals into medicine. Day 1 to 3, anti-inflammatory kickstart. You reduce internal inflammation. You may feel less bloated, and your digestion improves. Day 4 to 7, cholesterol-friendly. LDL cholesterol drops. HDL, the good cholesterol, rises. Blood pressure starts to balance. Week 2, skin and brain benefits. Vitamin E and polyphenols support skin repair and mental focus. You feel sharper, more vibrant. Week 4, longevity mode. You've adopted a Mediterranean habit proven to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and cognitive decline. One switch. Big gains. Drizzle it, cook with it, love it. Like, follow for smart swaps.